Every contractive sequence is a Cauchy sequence and therefore it is convergent, right? What is the meaning of contractive sequence? Contractive sequence are the sequence in which the terms of the sequence is contracted by other terms of the sequence, right? How do you know that these are the contractive sequences are convergent or not? So we have to firstly prove that it is a Cauchy sequence, right? So for contractive sequence, this is the definition of the contractive sequence. If you take this C mod of xn plus 1 minus xn, so if this term in decreasing terms, then it is gives you C mod of xn minus 1, which is less than equals to C cube mod of xn minus 1 minus xn minus 2, right? And so on. This gives you C ki power n mod of x2 minus x1, right? Now this is the contractive sequence by contractive sequence terms. Now for m is greater than 10, we estimate that we have to prove that it is a Cauchy sequence, so we have to turn the terms of the tail of the sequence. It is xm minus xn, which is less than equals to mod of xm minus xm minus 1 plus xm minus 1. Then this gives by triangle inequality mod of xn minus xm minus 1 plus mod of x1 minus 1 minus xm minus 2, and so on. This gives you plus xm plus 1 minus xn, right? So these are the contractive sequence terms. So these terms gives you C ki power m minus 2 plus C ki power m minus 3 plus and so on C ki power n minus 1 mod of x2 minus x1, right? After concluding from the AP series terms, this sum of the AP series, this gives you C ki power n minus 1 minus C ki power m minus 1 upon 1 minus C mod of x2 minus x1. This term is very less than to 1, so it gives you C ki power n minus 1 over minus C mod of x2 minus x1. We know that C is in between 0 to 1, so we know limit of C ki power n is equals to 0. Therefore we infer that xn is a Cauchy sequence.